Hi, back to the same question. Here the angle is 90 degree. The other two angles are 71 and 124. Add up all these three angles and take away from 360 degree to get H, because it is a quadrilateral and sum of all the four angles will be 360 degree. And the next problem, these are combined figures. It is having a triangle and a quadrilateral. Triangle and quadrilateral. This triangle is also having equal three sides. Means it is an equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, the angle value will be equal to 60 degree. All the three angles will be 60 degree in an equilateral triangle. And here the symbol says 90 degree and we know that it is 60, 60. This one is also 60. And now we can use another concept. It is a line. On this line, one angle is 60. To find the other angle, means both angles are on the same line, same straight line. So straight angle is 180 degree. So we can use the first point, angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So that we can find out this angle first. Then in the shape we are getting 90 to Z. This angle we are going to find, and this angle is Z. So by adding all these four angles and equating to 360 degree, we can find out Z value. To get Z, use the rule sum of four angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And next figure, again it's a triangle and it is a quadrilateral. Symbol says 90 degree. This is 125 degree, so that we can easily find what is this angle, because it is on the same straight line. Angle 125 degree and the question mark, they both are on the same straight line. So here also we can use angle on a straight line is 180 degree to get question mark first. Once we get the question mark, then we can equate the triangle concept 90, x and this question mark. All these three are in the same triangle. So we can use angle sum in triangle is equal to 180 degree. Means you can add this 90 and the question mark, take away that value from 180 degree to get x. Then here this symbol says 90 degree. Again this 90 and y, they both are on the same line. So we can say 90 comma y on a straight line, same straight line. So we can use 180 degree concept to get y. So once you get the y answer, we can add up y answer 125, 90, then take away from 360 to get z value. So later we have to use angle sum in quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. And the next figure, it is a kite. It is a kite. In this kite, they clearly mention these two sides are equal. Therefore, these sides can make equal angles only. Means T and 102. Angle 102 and T is equal. And the next concept, this sign says 90 degree. So we know three angles here, 102, 90 and T also known only. Add all these three angles and take away from 360 to get x. Here we can say 102 is equal to T. Means they both are equal, it is given in the diagram. And the next thing, add up all the three angles and take away from 360 degree, as the kite is also having four sides. It is a quadrilateral. So we can add up all the three angles and take away from 360 degree. You can use angle sum in quadrilateral is 360 degree, or you can say sum of four angles in a quadrilateral is 60 degree. Anything we can use, so that we can easily find x value. And the next image, These are new GCSE problems. Here we can see three figures at the same question: triangle, quadrilateral, again a triangle, and they are asking you to find these four values. Now look at the diagram. This sign says 90 degree, okay, and this symbol says these two sides are equal, means this angle and this angle will be equal only. Equal sides can make equal angle because it is an isosceles triangle when two sides are equal. This is 110 degree. So take away this 110 degree from 180 to get these two angles first. Take away 110 from 180 to get these angles first. Afterwards, we can use the concept these two lines are equal. This and this is equal. If this is 35, this angle is 35. So this is also 35 only. This is 35, this is also 35 only. So add these two angles so that you can find out this one, because they are asking you to find DEF. DEF place is this. This is place of DEF. To get this angle, add both 35 and take away from 180. So I am writing here, to find this angle, use angle sum property. Angle sum in triangle is 180 degree. Now EFC is given. We'll change the color. EFC. First we have to find the representation EFC. This is E, F and C. So they are saying this angle. They want to find this angle. And it is a quadrilateral. So after finding this E value, we have to, after getting this E value, you have to use straight angle concept at this point. Angle on a straight line, so that you can find the next half value of E. So angle on a straight line. To get this one, this value, the name is FEB. Actually it is FEB. It is not required in the question, but you have to find this one to get the value of EFC. After that, here we can use the next thing, 90 degree, and this is known angle, this is required, and angle B. How to find out angle B? Whatever the angle you are having here, the same angle will be reflected at this point also. So add all these three angles and take away from 360 degree by using the concept of sum of four angles in a quadrilateral. Sum of four angle is 360 degree. So that we can find out CBD. And last one is ABD, that I told you at the beginning itself. Means take away 110 from 180. Whatever the angle you are getting, make it half. Here and there. And the next, find angle PSR. PSR means this angle is required. And it is a quadrilateral, and we can specially say it is a trapezium because we have a set of parallel sides. It's a trapezium, and it is an straight angle concept. X and 4x, they both are lie on the same straight line. So we can take angle on a straight line is 180 degree, so that you will find x. We can easily find out x value. Then you can use the opposite concept. X and 4x is 5x, which is equal to 180 degree. Then as it is parallel lines, this SR and PQ, it's parallel line, we can use that corresponding angles and Z angle concept here. Okay, so here you are coming to know x value. Then this could be, no, this is 4x, means this can be 4x again here. Interior angles,